Upon entering the lab, book bags, purses, etc. should be placed in the cabinet of your lab bench. It should also be noted that eating, drinking, and smoking are not allowed in the lab. In case of a chemical spillage, the eye wash and emergency shower are located in the front of the lab. You should also inform your instructor. A fire extinguisher is located at the front of the lab next to the eye wash station. In case of a fire, you should proceed to the nearest exit and to a safe place. Directly above the fire extinguisher, you will find the first aid kit. Any cuts should be immediately treated and reported to your TA. Injuries requiring medical attention should be reported to the lab coordinator or student health services. When dealing with chemicals, be sure to wear proper eye protection, which is provided in the lab. Also, use tongs when handling hot glassware to prevent burning. When using a hot plate, never leave it unattended and unplug it after use. Biohazardous waste should be placed in the red bagged containers. Such waste consists of anything that has come in contact with blood, saliva, and other bodily fluids. After dealing with biohazardous material, countertops should be wiped down with disinfectant, and anything reusable should be washed with a 10% bleach solution. When dealing with scalpel blades, razor blades, and hypodermic needles, exercise extreme caution and dispose of such items in a sharps container. Any glassware that may be broken during lab should be placed in the glass receptacle and not with regular trash. After labs, hands should be cleaned thoroughly along with countertops. Also, all lab equipment should be unplugged and returned to its proper place. The following pieces of equipment are used in this lab. The beakers are used for the measurement of liquids and come in various sizes. Pipettes are used to transfer solutions from one container to another. Test tubes are used for holding small amounts of substances that are to be tested. In order to weigh substances, an analytical balance is used. The balance must be first plugged in and turned on. Wait until the display shows 0.00 grams before starting to weigh anything. Next, place a piece of weighing paper on the scale and press the Re-Zero button so that the weight returns to 0 grams. This is done so that the weight of the paper is not factored in. The substance to be weighed should then be placed on top of the weighing paper and the weight recorded. After use, it should be unplugged. The microscope will also be used in lab, and therefore you should know the proper way to carry one. It should be carried using two hands, one holding it by its arm and the other supporting it under its base.